In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and fix LED eyebrows light. So this part here is necessary to be removed. All you need for this is a scalpel and a heat gun, or in my case a hair dryer. So let's begin with heating. After we heat enough this silicone protection, it's time to use our scalpel to remove it, just like I did. You need to put some pressure, and it goes easy away. Now you pull this thing out. And there you go, we can see a LED panel. This is how it looks. In my case, wiring protection got damaged and I had to isolate it with insulation tape. This is the one. You can also remove moisture from your headlight eyebrow through these little holes using just a hair dryer or a heat gun. It works perfectly.